Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. I am Daud. I am here with an exciting announcement and that I am going to make a video series on Express.js, and this will be exclusively for beginners by Yas Algo. In this video series I will talk about different things about Express.js like routing, middleware, HTTP requests, etc. As we will proceed in this video series, you will learn Express.js step by step with practical demonstration. So let's move to our today's video, where we use Express.js. You can use this for designing, building web application and mobile application quickly. Since Express.js only requires JavaScript, it becomes easier for programmers and developers to build web application and API without any effort. So before proceeding to this video, you must have some basic of Node.js. If you're not, then let me give you some quick introduction on what is Node.js. Node.js is used as a backend service where JavaScript works on the server side of the application. Node.js is an open source development platform for executing JavaScript code server in code, JavaScript code in server side. Node.js runs on Chrome V8 engine, which converts the JavaScript code into the machine code, and it is highly scalable, lightweight, fast and data intensive. This way JavaScript is used on both front-end and back-end. Node is useful for developing application that requires a persistent connection from the browser to the server, and it is often used for real-time applications such as chat application, etc. To know more about Node.js, please do check out the official documentation of Node.js. To download Express.js, simply go to their official website. Let me show you where is the official website. So this is the official website for Node.js. You can simply click on LTS version and download it. So as I have already downloaded, I will not download it. Okay. It is the stable version, okay, LTS. It is recommended for the most of the users. So let's see what is Express. Express.js is just a library that uses or utilizes the node functions to make it easier for you to implement a web server. Express drives various features from Node.js, and one of them is non-blocking servers that can handle users' requests better. As a result, it is easier for developers to create easily scalable web applications. So, without further ado, let's jump right into the code editor. So, in my desktop, I have created a file named express.js, and in this I will keep all my projects. So let's first open the Visual Studio code editor. First, I will simply go to my new terminal, and here I will create simply a project using npm. You know, npm is the node package manager. Npm, I will use npm in it and press enter. We will just keep them as it is, will not give any input, and it will take the default values. And yes, so as you can see, it created a package.json file. Okay, now we need to install the Express.js using the npm install again. So if I write npm install express, it will download the express in my project. So if I go to the package dot, yeah, here you can see in this dependency I have downloaded the express. You can also download the express as globally in your local machine, or also you can download this as a let's say development dependency. uh, did I npm install express? Yes, here now you can see it converted to the dev dependency. So whatever you can choose. Now I need to see whether the express is the version of the express. So for that I can simply write dash dash version express. Sorry, npm version express, that is 8.1.4, right? So now we good to go. All right, so now we'll write some code. So now here I will create a app.js file. Let me create that, and here I will put my all express code. So uh, as uh, as I explained that I imported the express module in my project. So now we need to require that express function provided by the express framework. So for that I will write var express require express. Okay. Now now we need to create a app, that is const app express. So what it will do, const app express, it internally created a http server. Okay, using http it will create a server. So let me show you. uh, Here you can see it internally it creating using the http a server. So we don't need to create a server using http by importing the http module, right? What we are doing in the node.js. So now we have created the server, but now we need to listen that server in our local machine. So what we will do, we will just simply do app.listen. Here you can see the listen function is showing method. Then so as default we will set the port as 3000. First we will give the as a port. Now we need to give the callback function. As a callback function, what I'll do, let me show you. If there is any error, what it will do, it will just show the error, log the error, and if there is no error, then it will, what will it will do, it will just listening on the port. Okay, so now if I just type node app.js, here you can see it's showing listening on port 3000. So if I just zoom in that, you can see listening on port 3000. So there I want to show you there are another method to run this app. So if I just click the Control C, it will stop the server. Now I will show you some interesting things. If I go to the package.json, and in the scripts, if I just write, let's say suppose start, here I am using the node.mon, and then app.js. So if I just give npm start, here you can see using the node.mon, it will start my server. So let me tell you first that the node.mon I have already like imported in my local machine globally. So what you can do to install the node.mon, just same as npm install node.mon, and you can simply do -g to import that in globally in your machine. So that I have already imported it, so I'll not do that right now. Okay, so that's it for today's guys. Thank you for watching the video. If you find anything useful, please consider to comment and like the video, and if you are new to the channel, please consider to subscribe the channel. So until then, have peace.